I'm gonna start the day off with a muffin. I'm pretty excited for today, you know, I'm not even a big chocolate person, but I'm just going through such a chocolate phase at the moment. Usually I'm more savoury. It's so moist, wow. And it has chocolate chips in too, yes. These are nice. You know, this is only the second thing I've had and I already feel sick. Maybe I'm not that into chocolate after all. Oh my gosh, wait, what even is the time? Guys, it's 5 o'clock. What have I eaten today? You know, because those 3 things I ate made me feel so sick. And I was like, oh, and my stomach was like, oh, don't eat anymore. So I literally haven't eaten. What the heck, guys? So it's time to make some actual real life food. I'm gonna make porridge. Chocolate porridge. So chocolate porridge it is. It will give me the substance that I need. And just a go. I'll see you once my porridge is done, okay? I've got the goods. Chocolate porridge. See, this will be good because I have banana in the porridge. Obviously, yeah, I have seeds on top, but like when I mix them in, it's chocolate covered seeds, guys. And you know what? This is really working to be like my last hurrah because I feel so sick and it's making me never want chocolate again. I don't know if I put in the right amount of chocolate because I don't usually put chocolate in my porridge, but let's see. Oh, it's too hot. Oh, I don't want. It's fine, but I think maybe I didn't put it on for long enough because it's kind of watery. But anyway, let me finish off my chocolate porridge and then I'll eat even more chocolate. Yay! I'm acting like someone forced me to do this. This was my idea. Did you know a lion's roar can be heard from 5 miles away? Wait, that's actually crazy. That's insane, actually. Whoa. Anyway, look, it's the frog with chocolate on the other side. Right now, I'm gonna be trying the world's hottest chocolate. Ooh, it's crazy because it's so tiny. That's what she said. So I guess it must be really hot. It says that it's 9 million shoo, but that means nothing to me, so I'm just gonna eat it. Look, so it's this small and this thin. Should I just have it in one bite? Oh, and if it is really spicy, don't worry, because I have some chocolate milk to simmer it down. So I don't know, should I have like a little bite or should I just... I'm just gonna go for it, guys. I'm just gonna eat the whole thing. It smells really bad. Okay, I'm just gonna go for it then. The whole thing, okay? This whole thing. 9 million shoo. I don't know what it means. I hope I don't regret this, but 3, 2, 1. Okay, so just before you see that, I just want to say that I didn't know what 9 million shoo was, but just to put it into context, which I should have searched this up before, but let's say like Nando's extra hot sauce, some sites say it's like a few thousand and some say it's like 100,000 shoo, and the extra hot wings show on YouTube, their spiciest sauce is like 2.6 million. And this chocolate bar is 9 million. Enjoy. Oh! Oh, I regret it. Oh. Oh. I regret. need to sink because my mouth is watering so bad right now. Oh, it's getting worse. Oh, it's getting worse. Ah. Ah. Every time I think it's going to get better, it gets better again. Ah. Ah. Yeah. That was dumb. Oh, that was dumb. That was so dumb. Ah. Ah. I feel sick. Guys. I can't have any more milk because it's making me feel so sick because I've had too much chocolate. I can't. I just threw it. It's been like an hour and I'm in pain still. I think that, you know those little squares on the ball? Maybe I should have just had one. Oh. Anyway, I'm just gonna get ready for bed because I just think I need to sleep the pain off. And honestly, like, I got so many chocolatey things. I was gonna do so many things, but even just the first few things, I felt so sick that I just didn't eat for hours. And then I did that spicy chocolate and now I'm going to bed. This has just put me off chocolate, which is great because maybe I won't snack on chocolatey junk food as much now because I don't ever want to see chocolate again for a long time. So yeah, I'm just gonna go to sleep and hope that when I wake up all of this will just be like a dream. Oh, thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.